What's going on, guys? JBL just sent me the new Authenitcs 500 speaker. So today we're going to unbox it and see how it sounds. They actually have a bunch of these. So I've also got the 300 and just unboxed that as well. So if you want to check out the review of the unboxing of that, I got that on the channel as well. But without further ado, let's open this up. Holy cow. Wow. This thing is big. So let's turn it on, see how it sounds. Okay, let's check this out. Wow, it actually sounds really loud and really full, especially with like how at least relatively small it is. It feels really nice. It's covered in leather too. It's got a giant woofer right there, and it's got two speakers on the back. Yeah, definitely stay tuned for the full review of this and the 300, the smaller one. And yeah, thanks.